Welcome to all for this wonderful session. I am Gayatri, currently doing my UG course in the field of Computer Science and Engineering at Vivekananda College of Engineering for Women, Trichangur. And now I am here to deliver a talk about internship and what is Internshala. The first is how to gain experience and pocket money during this COVID-19 situation. Actually, the current scenario is colleges have been shut down and students are at home. Even though online classes are taking place, students have a lot of spare time. At this time, you can spend it to learn new things like some training courses and internships through Internshala. Why should we do an internship? There are benefits of doing internship. The first is financial independence. What is financial independence? At this lockdown period, people suffer a lot. Even we can't ask our parents to give us pocket money. So we can do internships through Internshala and gain our pocket money through this. The second is valuable experience. Students who are pursuing their studies can gain a lot of experience through this internship before they enter into the corporate world. Then, what kind of internships can we apply during this COVID-19? There are two types. One is work from home internships and other is ambassador internships. Work from home is nothing but work what we do from our home so that you will be provided with a stipend for your internships at the Internshala platform. You won't be asked to pay any registration fees for these internships. For the campus ambassador internships, you won't be paid any stipend, but there will be rewards based on your performance. How to get work from home internships? Internshala is a platform which has 7,000 plus work from home internships to choose from. You can choose from technicals such as web development, web design, graphic design, cyber security, hacking, IoT, and some other. Some of the non-technical domains such as content writing, blogging, and etc. Did you know? Lakhs of students do work from home internships and earn up to 20,000 per month. How does Internshala work? First, you have to create your login page at the Internshala platform. Then you will receive a mail which goes to the verification of your mail. After the verification is completed, it will take to complete your profile. Profile is nothing but where the company see about your information and validate you for the internships. Apply for various types of internships and get hired by 80,000 plus brands across 100 profiles. Internshala is the world's #1 internship platform where students can apply for internships completely with free of cost but no other any registration fees. Not only for the internships, Internshala Trainings is also an e-learning platform offering certified trainings in most in-demand skills which can be availed from the comfort of your home. I have attached a link in the description where you can get discount for such trainings and also through internships. Here are some people who have done their internships during this COVID-19 situation and earned up to a stipend of 15,000. They have bought a DSLR camera and bought gifts for their parents. If you have any queries about these internships and Internshala, please ask your doubts in the comment box below. Thank you for attending this session. Kindly everyone fill the attendance form which I have been given in the description to receive your valuable attendance certificate from the Internshala.